Leute! Today, we're heading back to the boat cabino! Woohoo! Let's go and check it out. We had a bit of rain the other night. We had 40 mils of rain overnight, which is just a light drizzle for Cairns. Let's get into it, eh? You know what's just been amazing as well? Like, there's a few people around the area that have seen the boat getting done. They're offering bits and pieces to help out. Like, someone rocked up the other day, Craig, and was talking to me about how he's watched this boat being built and driving past and stuff. He's seen it here. He had an old boat for years, and he had a couple of bits and pieces lying around, so he's dropped off a couple of books, and he's also dropped off a toilet. Look, that's fantastic. Bloody cool. I got a toilet and some toilet bits. Got a macerator, another bloody macerator pump, some switches, some fused switches, a little bilgy, and a bit of pipe and the mount. That'll clean up great. That is amazing. You just need to get a seat for it. I don't think getting a toilet seat's going to be a problem. We have a toilet. Thank you so much, Craig. That's amazing. I'm really, really stoked. And as well, on top of that, another bloke dropped past the other day and swap out my old anchor, my old little 15 kilo one, for this. He needed a little anchor and I had one, and he had a big anchor that was too big for his boat, much more suited to my boat. That is amazing. I just love it. I love people. People are great. Alrighty, let's get on to the next part of the project. Let's finish off the front of the roof. Let's bilge it out. Let's have a look. Be the last curve. That's awesome. That's pretty awesome. Let this one dry. We'll work on that tomorrow. So in the meantime, let's trim up the first one for the front of the boat, the bow of the boat. Shape it all up and fit it, I reckon. It's almost the right shape already. Let's just get it, thickness it down, get it leveled, see how she looks. We'll measure it up off the top there, off one of the other ones, so we can get the curve a bit neater, and then we'll have to buzz a bit off because it's got to be the same height as the rest of them in there in the front, which isn't a big drama, so let's just do it. So what I was saying was, I'm pretty happy with that shape already. So let's just trim that down to 62 mil, and that will be our little front bit. Boop. That's pretty good. Okay, 62 mil. Go. Okay, so we've got the pieces shaped up a bit nicer. That bit of timber's a bit crap, but that's what putty's for. And that looks pretty good. Let's see how that fits in once we slot it all down. This guy's looking okay. Let's fit him. now look at that, we've got pretty much that finished. So I've just got to level it up and sand the tops down so that they're right. This one's actually bloody beautiful. I just need to sand a little bit at the ends. I've just put a bit of bog in there just to fill in some of the gaps around the edges of it all. It's got the adhesive sealant polyurethane goo in there as well, squished right in just to seal anything right up. What I need to do is, actually I better seal this up from this side, and we'll drill a new fixing hole. So as soon as this is dry, which I only did it 5 minutes ago and it's nearly dry already, so we'll let it harden a bit longer while we fix up these. That one obviously is no good, so we'll put a whole new one in there. Same with this one. I don't even know why it was there. That's a bit of a skew if. And then all I need to do is buzz down the top of this to be level, and we've got to lift this up into the bottom of that so they can square that whole doorway section back up again. Then all we've got to do is just finish the little timber framed area for that to go back on. Fix up the backboard there, front board here, put some sheets on. Jeez, it's not far off really. It is not far off. Let's finish up those bits, clean all this up, screw that in. Woo. When you think about it, they're going a fair way in. That's pulling some weight on that one. So we'll see how that all sits with the bar. She's back in. She's nice and slowed down. That's sweet. That's screwed back in. It's sitting pretty nice on top. Run the belt sander over the top of all this, and obviously it's smooth out that end. Let's just get up there quickly and throw the bit of timber on it. It's sitting pretty good across them. That beam's a little low. Once this gets screwed down, that'll pull that down. And that middle beam there's sitting pretty good, so it's just the ends that I need to square up. Oh no! I don't think I'll stick the switch on. Hey! 18 mil off that end. G'day guys, so what I've done here is I've trimmed up the support beam. This is going to be for the midway hatch. This beam needs to account for the thickness of the roof sheets as well as the height of the spaces for the hatch. To lift it up a bit, just a bit higher than the roof, this is going to help eliminate any water entry off the roof and create a better seal. Hey, so I want to give a quick shout out to Simon. I'm pretty sure it was Simon. I hope it was Simon. Down at Enviroland in Freshwater. Pretty amazing for me, just rocking up to Enviroland and just having a look around, seeing what they've got. It's a bit of a recycle shop. They've got a bit of timber, they've got some other goods, and bumping into you, mate, was a real pleasure. You know, you really you said you've been watching the show from the start, and you had some timber hidden away for me, and you found some nice brass portholes and stuff, which was really cool. It was really exciting to see. I really want to say thanks for thinking of me with those bits and pieces, and everyone, if you're looking for some bits and bobs, go down, check out Enviroland in Freshwater. I'm not getting paid to say this, but well, maybe I'm getting bits of timber. Alright, I think we better wrap it up here, eh? Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. See you guys.